welcome back to my channel. It's me, Blanche. So I got like some little grays going on. It's really a lot, but it's okay. We're just gonna ignore that. Alright, so I just wanted to come on here to catch up on my next video. I'll be doing the necrophonics video. It's an app you can download for free in the App Store, and wait, no, it's not for free. It's $10. I think it was $10. Let's see. I had it on probably a good couple of years. Yeah, because I'm not gonna say no. It's I was thinking of another app that's free, but not the necrophonics, but I'll be doing that pretty soon. But not sponsored, but this is like the cheaper brand, the Equate, and it's almost gone. It's about right there. And excuse the ratchet nails. My nails, they keep breaking, even though I'm taking a vitamin. I don't know, it's just the things that I do, like when I'm washing dishes and stuff, it makes it really, I use rubber gloves, and it still makes my nails, I don't know, maybe it's the heat that goes in, you know, the heat when I'm washing them in the hot water, and it's, I don't know, I guess it makes it flimsy or something, because right now they're hard, but I don't know. So I hope everybody is doing pretty good. Okay. But, I just wanted to come on here and do this real quick. I've been doing a lot of yard work, and I haven't been recording it, but I did that side. This is just water. It's bottled water. And my skin broke out so bad. I'm putting the aloe vera plant. I cut off just a little bit and I smeared on my face. So I don't know what happened. And I recorded a mood ring that I'm gonna make a video and put that up too after this video, so be on the lookout for that one. I just put the conditioner towards the end, right here, towards the end, put the conditioner towards the end. I don't put it up here. If I put it up here, this will just get oily. I don't want to add anything up here. Maybe just a little bit of water. just a little. I'm going to spray some of the black dye. I don't have it right here. I'm going to put it somewhere, the spray that I use for that. But yeah. Anyways, I'm Blanchie. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're OG Buckhead, peace to y'all. And please like, comment, subscribe. Please, it's free to watch me, Blanchie. I have all sorts of videos. I've got a bunch of them in my playlist. They range from different, you know, topics like DIYs and just different kind of shenanigans I got going on. I've got the Mood Ring series, and then earlier there was a dark color, but I'm gonna put that on the video. It was being a dark color, but yeah, got the other one somewhere. I wanted to put it on too, but yeah. And then I'll be making a necrophonics video pretty soon, and I'll be having it right here on the screen with me while I do makeup. And that of course is called Makeup and Necrophonics, or Necrophonics and Makeup, or Makeup and Necrophonics. I don't know, one of those. Don't quote me on it. I forget a lot. It's been a while. But anyways, thank you for joining me for this video. I appreciate you. And please come back and watch my other videos. Subscribe, help me grow. And yes, and like or comment. Tell me what kind of video idea would you like for me to do. And if I can do it, I'll do it. And if I can't, I'll tell you I can't do it. But anyways, I will talk to y'all in the next video.